clove, a widely used spice, is a powerhouse of health benefits. Made with dried flowers of clove tree, this amazing spice is packed with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can give your digestive system the boost it needs. When you chew on a single clove, it enhances saliva production, which means your digestion gets a head start. Clove also helps reduce those uncomfortable feelings of nausea and acidity, making your digestive process smoother and more pleasant. And let's not forget about oral health. Chewing on a clove provides antimicrobial benefits, keeping your mouth healthy and fresh. Cloves help boost immunity and guards against influenza. They also alleviate respiratory ailments and facilitate weight loss. This amazing spice also serves as a renowned home remedy for toothaches. It contains an antioxidant called eugenol, which helps to relieve pain. We will discuss the side effect of eugenol later in this video. Clove also helps regulate cholesterol and blood sugar levels, two key indicators of our overall health. With its potent antioxidant properties, clove helps to combat oxidative stress, which in turn help to ward off life-threatening conditions like cancer, heart disease, and liver damage. Regular consumption of clove water is recommended to tackle these health concerns. Clove water can be made by soaking 1 to 2 teaspoons of clove in 1 glass of water overnight and straining the water in the morning. This water can be consumed on an empty stomach in the morning. You can also add some honey to the clove water. According to Ayurveda, including cloves in your diet brings warmth to your system, so it is advisable to consume clove water during the winter. However, it's important to note that cloves contain eugenol, which is also called clove oil, and which gives clove its distinctive flavor. Eugenol can potentially slow blood clotting. Individuals with bleeding disorders should refrain from consuming clove water. For those without such conditions, moderate consumption of clove water, especially during winter or when combating flu-like infections, can significantly enhance overall health. So whether it's detoxification, inflammation control, or maintaining a healthy balance of important bodily functions, cloves have got it all covered. Now that you know about the amazing benefits of cloves, you might be wondering how to include them in your diet, other than the clove water mentioned earlier. Well, it's simpler than you might think. Cloves are incredibly versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes. For a quick and easy start, try sprinkling some ground cloves into your morning tea or coffee. For those who are fans of chai, add a few cloves when making your chai at home. Its warm, spicy flavor can transform these everyday beverages into a delightful treat. Another great way to incorporate cloves is by using them in your cooking. They can add a depth of flavor to soups, stews, and even baked goods. Give cloves a try and share your experiences with us in the comments below. Till the next video, stay healthy.